Good morning, guys. Welcome back to S&B Diaries. Today we're going to show you the grounds here of our Riu Yucatan Hotel here in Mexico. There's a multiple accommodation blocks which are 3 stories high here. This particular hotel has 5 restaurants, and 3 pools. We're just going to come up to the main pool here. The pool is open from 8 till 8. It's right by the Ibiza and Laka Beach area. It's the back of the after hours bar, which leads inside to the main reception area and a 24-hour bar restaurant. Some the main pathway going out towards the various accommodation blocks here and down to the beach. We have the Hacienda. Here's the Sicilia Italian restaurant, and then we come into the main reception foyer, which takes you outside. It's got these wonderful statues in here. Everything here you could want on your complex. We're just heading down the tree-lined avenue towards the pool area. Monkey.
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey.
No, not.
Yes, it is.
It's not a monkey. It's like something.
I'm down to one of the T junctions, and we've got 8 accommodations blocks that way. Everyone's fascinated by these little monkeys here.
It's a lovely project.
Having their breakfast. Feeding on the balcony. So we come down to the Mezcal, another restaurant by the and bar by the water pool. Oh. The sun's just coming out behind the clouds there. Another restaurant there, the Margarita, at the end of the pool. Play pool and the bar at the pool have entrance to the beach. There's the pool bar. No, just go round. Here we go. Another pool area here. This will be full up later on. So thanks for watching our tour of the grounds of the hotel here in the Riu Yucatan in Cancun in Mexico. Hope to see you in the next one, guys, and that's bye from S&B Diaries for today, and bye for now.